What to do when a man ghosts you, a step-by-step guide. Let's talk about the modern breakup that never even gives you the dignity of a breakup. No goodbye, no explanation, no closure. Just silence. One day he's texting you good morning. The next day he vanishes like you never existed. And the worst part? You sit there staring at your phone wondering, did something happen? Did I do something wrong? Is he coming back? If you've ever been ghosted, you know how brutal it feels. It messes with your confidence, your sleep, your appetite, your sanity. But today, we're not crying over ghosts. Today, we're talking about what powerful, self-respecting women do when a man disappears. Because ghosting is not the end of your story. It's the moment your self-respect gets tested. And before we dive in, if you love real, raw conversations about relationships and female power, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and tell me in the comments, have you ever been ghosted? Let's talk. 1. Do not chase him. Your first instinct will be to text him, "Hey, are you okay? Did I do something wrong? Why haven't you replied?" You'll want answers, closure, reassurance. Do not do it. Chasing a man who is ghosting you sends one loud message: I will accept crumbs. Every unanswered message chips away at your dignity. Every double text tells him you're still available, even when he's not showing up. And here's the brutal truth. He knows how to find you. He has your number. He has your social media. He knows you exist. If he wanted to talk to you, he would. His silence is the answer. And once you accept that silence, you'll feel the next temptation creeping in. 2. Do not stalk him online. Now your fingers start itching. You check his WhatsApp last seen. You watch his Instagram stories. You check if he followed new women. You search for clues like a detective in your own heartbreak. This is called pain shopping. You are literally going to the store to buy more hurt. Every time you look, you'll find something that stings. He's laughing, living, posting, existing without you. Meanwhile, you're frozen in emotional limbo. Block him, mute him, unfollow him, remove the temptation, because the less you see, the faster you heal. And once you stop watching his life, the next battle begins, the one inside your mind. 3. Do not blame yourself. This is where ghosting becomes dangerous. Your brain starts whispering lies. I wasn't enough. I was too needy. I scared him away. If I had done things differently, he would have stayed. No. Ghosting is not a reflection of your worth. It's a reflection of his emotional maturity. A man with integrity communicates. A man with respect gives closure. A man with emotional intelligence doesn't disappear. Ghosting is cowardice. Ghosting is immaturity. Ghosting is avoidance. And none of that is your fault. Once you stop blaming yourself, you'll feel the urge to keep the door open for him. 4. Do not wait for him. You'll keep a tiny emotional seat reserved. Maybe he's going through something. Maybe he'll come back and explain. Maybe there's a good reason. Close the door. Every day you wait is a day you're unavailable for someone who would never disappear. And if he comes back, it will rarely be because he suddenly respects you. It will be because he's bored, lonely, or his other options didn't work out. You deserve to be someone's choice, not their backup plan. Which brings us to the only closure you're allowed to give. 5. Do not take him back when he returns. He will come back. They almost always do. Weeks or months later, you will get a text. Hey, sorry I disappeared. I was going through a lot. Or, I have been thinking about you. Or, I miss you. He will have a story, a crisis, a mental breakdown, a family emergency, business trip, lost phone. Do not believe it. Even if his story is true, a man who disappears when life gets hard is not a man you want. Life will always get hard. Marriage will have crises. Children will bring stress. Financial struggles will come. If his response to difficulty is to vanish, he will do it again. Let him stay gone. You are not a revolving door. He does not get to walk in and out whenever he pleases. Send one final text if you need to, then walk away. Because some women need to say one last thing for their own peace, and that's okay. But only one message, no conversation, no expectations. Something like, I don't know why you disappeared, but I deserve better than silence. I'm moving on. Take care. That text isn't for him, it's for you. It closes the emotional loop. It gives you your voice back. And after that, you walk away. No more messages, no more wondering, no more hoping. And now comes the real healing. Conclusion. Ghosting hurts most when your life revolved around him, so now you rebuild a life that revolves around you. Pour into friendships, grow your career, pick up hobbies, travel, heal, live, learn the lesson, raise your standards. Stop giving girlfriend energy to men who offer inconsistent attention. If he comes back later with excuses, let him stay gone. A man who disappears during small problems will disappear during big ones. Guard your heart next time. Let men earn access through consistency. And remember this forever. Silence is an answer. Don't shame him publicly. Don't rush into new love while wounded. Heal fully. Become whole again. Because the real revenge isn't anger. It isn't posting quotes. It isn't proving anything. The real revenge is becoming so happy and fulfilled that he becomes irrelevant. If this video spoke to you, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and tell me in the comments, what was the hardest part of being ghosted for you?